Everyone. Today I'll be teaching you one more practical using Keen software. That is rotate an LED from left to right. Okay, so starting with file, new program, and then we'll be putting. I'm just writing a program over here, which I have. See, in this particular program, you need to understand that one, you have to put 01 in accumulator. 01 means the one bit will keep on rotating from left to right, which we actually want. Then we will have to set a counter, so for that we need a register R1, so 08H, because 8-bit, it's an 8-bit number, so we need a counter like 08H. And then we will have to make a loop for rotating, so which I have made. And after that we have to use a delay program, because we don't want the LEDs to keep on rotating from left to right immediately. We want it to be little slow, so it depends. Like I have used move R1005 in the delay program, then R2004. You can use little less also, or you can use more also if you are using it using hard. You have to burn the program in the hardware. Then you can use little more like 0FFH, because that at that time we don't want it to be very fast. But at this like when we are doing it using software, then 005, 004 is enough. So we can use like this. DJNZ command is also used over here for like jump if not zero command. We have to use, because we have to move. We have to use this delay program till um, like amount till the time we don't reach zero. So that concept we have to use over here. So the major work, which major part of the program is like the delay program and this counter and the information, the bits we are entering into accumulator, which will be used to rotate from 01, which we have used, which will be rotating from left to right. This is the explanation of the program, a brief explanation which I could give. Now we have to save this program first of all. Sorry, I have just so we have to save this program first. So I will be using save as, and I will be like rotate. I can name it as rotate, or something else, whatever I want. But this time I will be using ASM dot ASM and saving it using dot ASM only, and then I will be pressing save. Once this is done, I have to go to project, a new microvision project, and I have to save it again with the same name, but this time I will be using .asm, and I will be saving it. Now it is saved. Once it is saved, again we will get the target. I'm just dictating the target, but whatever we have to like write here, so that you can write in your target screen properly. A T 89C51 RD2. When I write this, I will get this simply here. You can see I'm repeating again, AT89C51RD2. So once we write this, we press OK, and then copy startup no. We will get plus sign with this target one, and we will add existing file by right clicking the source. Our existing file is rotate .asm, which is showing here, so I'm adding it and then closing it. Once done, I will open this and open the source plus sign, and then I will open the rotate. Fine. Now see, this is how it looks like. Okay. There is a delay program, and there is the main RL command for rotating from left to right, and we are setting a counter 08H, and the number is 01H, which we actually want to rotate. So this is how it works. After this, we have to go to project, and we have to translate. Error, so we are fine. We are doing fine. Then build target. After that, we'll be using rebuild all target files. I'm getting no errors, so I can go to debug straight. So start debug session. Once we start this, we get this evaluation mode, and see, we are getting this out. Again, you will have to use this step F11, step 1 line. When you press this, you will get 01 in A. When you again press this, you will get like 08 in R1. And you keep pressing then, because it's a delay program, it will take some time till it reaches the P1 port where you want to see the output. Once it reaches P1, you can stop. Then you can go to peripheral, because this is sure that the program is running properly, but we have to see the LEDs being moving and rotating from left to right. So go to input output ports and port 1 where we have saved the data of the accumulator. You can see the tick mark is 0000001. That is 01. It's showing right like that. Now I have to press this F11 again. I have to keep pressing till the LED rotates from left to right. You can see when I keep pressing, see, it has changed. It has shifted to the other value. You can see the tick mark has shifted towards the right. It's rotating. So I will do once more so that you get this confidence that yes, it's working. I'm just pressing it again for you sometime, because we have a delay program which has like move R1 005, move R2 004. See, it has already changed. So it keeps on rotating from left to right. So hence we have done the program properly. If you have any doubts, you want me to do it more clearly, or if you want me to explain the program more clearly, please let me know, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.